Welcome to J&J snowy test video of SSCE 439, a 95 Corvette convertible. Hit in the right front, left front, left front. Headlights falling out too. 175,000 miles. It's not too bad. None of the seats work. Just normal C5 or 4 stuff. But it runs good. ECU's all flopping around. Let's let it take her for a ride. I'll show you the odometer. 175, 429. Woo! It moves out. Pressure, all that jazz. Climate control works, radio works, but the CD or the tape don't work. And that's it. As always, oh my goodness, these things are so hard to get in and out of. Whew, thought this was a good idea. There you go. As always, have your pets spayed and neutered.